I have got this another legend. This guy is known all over the world.
Just here to announce that if Avish Matthew wins, I will donate 50,000 rupees.
What? Welcome, sir. Welcome. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, we're not live yet, right?
We are live, sir. We are live. We just are live. Sorry for not giving you any heads up. But, sir, what a pleasure
Okay.
to have you here. So, let me tell you, first of all, we have crossed over more than 5.5 lakh rupees in donation. So, can we have a round of applause for that, if you will, with me? Let's just applaud the people for donating. Dosto, Vishwanath, the legend, the man himself is with us tonight. I'm so excited, sir. Thank you so much for coming here. And मजा आ गया, sir. सर आपको हिंदी आती है क्या सर?
What's that?
Okay, so let's speak in English. I understood your answer. Thank you so much sir, for joining. I'm so happy. You're looking very nice in that shirt. दोस्तों एक बार विशी OP हो जाए chat में. Sir, OP means overpowered. It means that you have just overpowered everything. So Vishy OP is in the chat. If you can see the chat, everyone is just typing Vishy OP. That means Vishwanathan Anand as overpowered. Sir, what a legend you are, and you know, I'm like it's my fanboy moment. You know, when as a child I used to read about you, and today I'm with you. I'm so happy, sir. How are you feeling? Are you feeling the same?
Yes, it's a nice new experience for me. So let's see how it goes.
We are not going to come even close to defeating you. So just to have some chance to defeating you tonight, you know, a little chance, I have got this another legend. This guy is known all over the world for his beautiful sacrificing moves. He plays innovative moves. He has this move called King Sacrifice. Can you take a wild guess who this might be?
Too worried about the king's sacrifice.
Yeah, the King Sacrifice.
Don't mean Avish Matthew.
Avish Matthew. It is going to be Avish Matthew. You are going to face the first match is going to be between Vishwanathan Anand. I can't believe you guessed him, man. Abish Matthew, please appear on screen. Abish Matthew has come. Sir,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
How are you doing?
the catch in this match is that
Ah.
every piece that Abish captures of Vishwanathan Anand, sir, people, you have to donate. You have to go crazy and donate, dosto. You have to donate, okay? This is the match of the century.
This is the match of the century. Also, hi sir, how are you doing? So nice to meet you. I just wanted to say this one little thing that happened 5 minutes ago. I took a queen with my king again. Thank you. No. Everybody, please keep your applause down. Applause down. Thank you very much. But yes, this is going to be a very fun game. Sir, will you go easy on me, or are you going to play it the international level?
Both. I'll go easy on you international level.
Send me the challenge link. I'll send it to sir.
There you go. Samay, you have it on your chat.
On my WhatsApp.
Yes. You
All
have it
right,
over
I'm
there.
sending it to sir, and the
That's right.
match of the
WhatsApp, where chess
century-
matches and forward messages are faster than light.
I don't think Vishy sir or Abish Matthew ever in their wildest nightmare also thought that they would be playing against each other.
Yeah, no, not at all. Okay, the game has started. May I start?
You
Yes,
can
please do.
quickly start. Yes, the match has begun. It is Abish
Okay.
Matthew versus Vishwanathan
Here we
Anand.
go.
And
Here we go. The first move. Boom.
every piece that
Boom, okay.
Abish captures, people have to donate.
With such bold moves. Okay, hold on.
So now if you can capture my pawn, it would help.
Yeah.
See, I knew it. Okay, cool. Everybody, boom! Yes! Yes! Thank you. If I mirror every move of yours, I might just be able to survive the game a little longer.
Nay.
Oh man.
Check.
What? Where? Oh no! No! It's a checkmate, right?
Nay.
Yes.
Yes.
Give it up. Arey, Biswa Hacker is here. Come on, round of applause.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Sir, big fan. Abhish sir, big fan.
The night is out.
Oh, just here to announce that if Abhish Matthew wins, I will donate 50,000 rupees.
What? What?
What? Guys.
If Avish Matthew wins against this
Oh,
legend,
man.
Biswa Kalyanath is gonna donate 50,000 rupees.
Okay, big move coming.
Okay.
Big move coming.
All right.
Okay, I'm waiting for it. Oh no!
Oh my god.
Oh god!
Okay. Okay, what is the UPI ID? Give me.
Big move coming.
Oh,
Oh,
okay,
God.
okay.
Oh god!
Samay.
You need to capture it. We have to win.
Samay.
Yes.
Samay, please capture this moment, okay, for me.
Yes.
I don't think.
Oh!
If I may say,
Oh, man.
my king is playing like Sunil Shetty from the movie Border towards the end of the movie.
No.
This is a historical match.
This is the match that will be remembered. Agad Mater, if I send this to Agad Mater to analyze, he will just shut his channel.
Okay. I'm going on Google Pay to donate right now because I don't care if Abhish wins anymore. I saw that Abhish took Vishy's
Queen.
king. I have seen everything in life.
Man, what you know what's amazing is that king over the queen move is something that you planted 2 moves before I could even play it. You literally served it on a platter, not even silver platter. The silver platter had a pattern of black and white. That's how simple you made it. I am going to screenshot and make that into a GIF and play it over and over. My tombstone will have that as a GIF. I'll put an iPad on my tombstone and it's gonna keep playing it again and again. Okay.
Okay, another check.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
Now we're talking.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna. There.
Thanks.
The king has been resting in his palace for too long. Now the king is out to play. The king is out with his sword going, ha ha! What is
How
your
is this going
genius?
to end?
Okay, another check.
You're
The best part is Abhish wouldn't know if you're not saying check. Sir, if you didn't say check, he would know he's on the check.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it because without you saying check, I would have played. I would have been like, why is this not working anymore?
Okay, let's go there.
Check. Okay.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, you think you can check me? Oh, yes, you can. Vishy sir, can I ask you for something? I've never been able to do this before. What
Yeah.
happens when your pawn reaches the end? Does it become a queen or something and come back?
It becomes whatever you want it to be.
Okay, so can you clear the path for my pawn? I really want, I will donate 50,000 rupees if I can get my pawn reach all the way there, convert into a queen before
Oh
the game.
my god.
You have a deal.
Oh,
let's do
deal,
it.
deal.
Abhish is going to promote a pawn.
You're not going to do it once, you're going to do it twice.
Oh, wow, I'm gonna be so
OP.
broke. Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Yes!
Please, can we screenshot this?
Oh my god! Oh, this is a I don't even.
Now I've got bad news for you. But I'm going to take it back.
Oh no.
Wait, what? You said something very cool. I didn't even understand. Oh, wait, I've got 2 seconds.
Oh, is Abhish going to lose on time? Oh my god, Abhish is losing on time. Oh my god.
Oh god. Abhish.
I think it's a good moment to agree a draw, don't you think?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Yes!
Sir,
I mean, you've taken so much.
please don't.
Sir, no, please don't.
I'm
Sir,
very
please don't.
Please don't give Abish Matthew the honor of a draw.
Please don't. Just Abish Matthew resign. Abish Matthew just resign the game.
Please resign, Abish.
You are
I'm resigning.
Yeah,
I'm
oh
resigning. How
God.
do you?
Your buddies are letting you
One
down.
guy's written.
How can I resign?
I am sending my property papers.
How do you resign? I need to know
No,
how
no,
to
you don't have
resign.
to resign. I'll meet you in a minute.
No more time gets over.
Oh, Vishy sir has won. No surprise. Thank you so much, Abish Matthew and Biswa Ganarath. Maza aa gaya,
Oh my
dosto.
God.
This was just for the donations. Thank you, Vishy sir, for being so cool.
Thank you.
I called him yesterday. I told him the plan. I told him it will be this. I told him Abish will play against you, and you'll every pawn he captures will be getting donations, and you'll have to lose. And then he was like, no, I will make sure he captures everything, but I will still win. Okay then. And Vishy sir, what a pleasure it was to host you. And I'm so happy. I can't tell you. I'm flustered. I'm gonna write a big message to you on WhatsApp, just thanking you for your time and what a nice job. So sir, in all we have raised 5,22,000 on Google Pay. Totally 6,18,000 on Google Pay and Razer, and apart from that, around 2,70,000 on Super Chat. So that makes it around 8.86 lakh rupees that we have raised, sir. Thank you so much for your contribution to this, Vishwanathan Anand, the legend. And that's it, sir. Like, you're so fun, and you are unlike anybody else I've met. Thank you so much for being this inspiration. And or kya matlab? Thank you, sir. You also said something nice about me, no?
Thank you, Samir. It was a pleasure and very, very good cause. And I'm happy we all had a bit of fun. And thanks to everyone for